Hello everyone, I am Pradeep today, third year BBA student of Moda Education Society's Arts, Commerce and Science College Sone. I am a team leader for this project and my mentor is Professor Liaquat Syed sir. Our institute has Yash Innovation and Incubation Cell and this cell is assist us think and work effectively. We observe that in current situation, pilgrims and tourists face lots of problem at religious place, like absence of good food and quality service. We think that we can solve this problem very easily with the help of technology and our business partners. On that basis, we offer our 5 main services: worship material, quality food, lodging, parking slot and guidance at religious place. There is a no startup in market focus on this particular area with these types of services. OYO provide room services. They do not provide other services like us. Our main objective is to provide quality service to tourists and pilgrims and to protect them from frauds at religious place. We can create an amazing experience to our customer with the help of our technology, and we will improve the quality of services with the help of our standard operating process, and that is our USP. Every year, millions of people visit different types of religious places and tourist spots. So, there is a huge potential in this market. If we will able to capture a small percentage of this market, we can create huge turnover from it. In this large market, our target audience are married male and female from cities because they are internet user and early adopter of technologies. In starting, we will focus on only this particular group of customers.
So step first is customer will visit our website through desktop or smartphone, and then he or she will book required services. Services like worship material, quality food, parking slot, lodging and guide, etc. After booking our services by pilgrims, they will get SMS of details of services and contact details of local guide. In third step, our guide will receive the pilgrims when they reach at the place, and guide will inform them about entire services. After that, our business partners will provide all the services to our customers according to our standard operating process. In this last step, our guide will ask to our customers for testimonials, ratings and reviews, feedbacks and suggestions, and reference for further improvement and progress. By this process, our startup will work